How to fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. So if you want to fix the Discord channels not showing on your mobile, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up your Discord application. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply log out of your account and again log back in, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply completely uninstall and reinstall your Discord. To do that, you just need to simply search for Discord, tap and hold on to that, go with delete and uninstall. Once you uninstall, you just need to simply go with your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, again go and install the application and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to download an older version of your Discord. If you've updated and if you're still facing the problem, then what you need to do is just go with your browser, and here you need to search for Discord older versions. Once you search, here you will have all of the websites that will provide you the older versions of your Discord. So you just need to simply go and download the older version, and once you've downloaded, log into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Discord channels not showing on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.